Okay, you're recording now.
Okay.
There we go.
Now I got it.
We're good.
Hailey's gonna say something first. Here we go.
Something. Caleb?
Okay. I'm just gonna bring this up again. If you saw our last video, the speed of awesomeness, then you probably heard me say this, but if you didn't, listen.
Listen. It's very important he's speaking.
She
Again.
did that in the last video too. But you see,
They don't see because they're not here.
just listen, Hailey. Okay, Hailey loves Zach more. And if this video goes on the internet, his name will be on the internet. But I'm going on the internet. That's even better. But, you see, I'll tell you. What did you just say? What did you just say?
Nothing. I didn't say anything.
You
I don't
said-
know what you're talking about.
You said you called me a butt or something.
I didn't call you a butt. I said big butts.
She has a big butt.
I wish that I had a big butt, but I don't have a
I'm
big
gonna
butt.
tell you
You
something.
wish you had a big butt?
That would be wrong. That would be our
That's our
mom.
mom. Her name is Beth Alisea. But listen, okay. You see,
Oh god.
I'm
You
not
didn't forget.
Like, like what it, oh yeah, I was talking about big butts. Was oh yeah, I remember now. You see, one time I was riding in the car with my granddaddy, and this really fat lady walked by, and he made this joke that if we hit her,
Oh, no.
it would down the whole front of the car. That's a true story.
Oh
Thank you, unfortunately.
It was down the whole front of the car.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Yeah, he actually said that.
Oh my
we
goodness.
were gonna go dress barn, remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I read the comment
Yeah.
that we saw a fat lady. It was like, if we hit that girl and tear up the whole front of the car.
Okay, we're leaving now.
No, wait. I love you, Callie.
It's still going.
Hugs it. I love you, Callie. Hugs it.